Here at Windy Arbor, we've got 410 pupils on roll. 59% of those are pupil premium, 29% are SEN. So we wanted to think about how we could well spend our pupil premium spend. We really wanted to support our parents at home. We wanted to support our children with their reading. The Letterbox project is amazing. It has an amazing materials, but we wanted to do something more than just literally hand out the parcels to parents or to the children. We obviously have 6 parcels, so we have 6 different workshops across the year. We try and make sure that they're linked to the books, so there might be reading activities, there might be art and crafts activities.
It's World Book Day today, so we've incorporated, not only with the children, they're all dressed up, and the staff have dressed up, but we've incorporated that in with the letterbox as well. The workshops, interacting with the parents, it enables us as a school to build the relationships with the wider community.
We invite children from year 1 to year 6. We obviously look at our children who are pupil premium and our children who are lowest 20%. I think the children really benefit from having their parent there, because we know that then that learning can continue and be sustained at home. It just gets the parents and the children together and engaged in reading.
The progress that these children are making are just absolutely amazing, and we have got a lot of children now that were on the lower 20% that now aren't.
Across, like in last year's cohort, we had 15% of our children actually made it to end of year expectations, which is amazing. Letterbox for us is the best outlet to support for reading and obviously progress in reading as well. It is literally worth every single penny. I don't see that we would ever change the process that we now use.